Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G72 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by opening Moto app and clicking on the top left corner of it. Then click on Personalize. Following that, you can choose themes here, tap on this red icon next to the best one for you, and tap on Home button. As you can see, after that, theme of my smartphone has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and click on Create New Theme instead. Now set up wallpaper, click on Font, tap on the best font style, then color of your palette, phone palette, icon shape, ringtone, and finally tap over here to name your theme however you wish to. Then click on the check mark at the bottom right corner and click on it over here in order to set it up. As you can see now, when I go back, theme of my device was successfully customized. If you wish to, you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time click on the top left corner and adjust all of those options separately however you wish to, like icon layout. Then save all your changes by clicking on the check mark at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!